movies, TV shows, live TV and sports. 370178. On your Amazon Fire TV stick, on applications you can't find in the Amazon App Store, all for free. Follow along and I'll show you how I get these on my device. Let's head to the find icon and we pull down and click in search. And here we're just going to type in a D, and our application that we need to find this store comes up really quick, called Downloader, so we select it. Yes, Downloader was gone for a little bit of period of time and it is now back better than ever. This is the icon we're looking for, not those other ones. We click on Downloader. Here it's going to ask us to download it, install it, and get it onto our device. So click on that. We're not going to open it, just hit the home button on our remote. And here we have to go all the way to the very far end, the settings icon. We come down and here My Fire TV is listed. We select it. I have developer options here listed. If you don't, no worries. Highlight About, select, and then have Fire TV Stick, or yours may say 4K, have it selected. Select it 7 to 10 times, and at the bottom, no need, you are already a developer, or congratulations, now you are a developer. Going back out, developer options is now here listed. Highlight developer options, click on it. Here we have ADB debugging, just select it to turn it on. And then highlight install unknown apps, select it. Downloader here, it says off, we just select it. Now it turns it on and this gives Downloader the ability to install applications that may not be available in the App Store. We can back out once, twice, 3 times, back to the home page, and we look for Downloader. So here we have this little 3 square plus sign symbol. It's our apps and games section. This is where we're going to find Downloader. The last app that we've downloaded, Downloader, ends up at the very bottom, so we can highlight it. We can actually use our 3-line button on our remote. And this brings up this sub-menu over here. We have move to front, more info, offload, and uninstall. So we make things nice and easy. We can move to the front. This puts Downloader in this shortcuts bar. So when we're in our home screen, so if we push the home button, Downloader is up front and center on our home screen at all times now. Now we can open up Downloader. So highlight it and select it. Yes, allow Downloader to access photos, media, and files on our device. We can click allow. Here Downloader works just like any web browser. Here Downloader works just like any web browser. We can type in any URL, for instance, the website we're going to go to, ledbytheunknown.com/downloads, or have a short code for you, and it's so much easier. So this little red circle acts as our mouse, and so does our remote. So up, right, down, left, and then the center button is the select button. So we're going to go up, and it highlights Downloader here, but we need to go here to enter URL or short code or shirt. We can select on it, and our short code is 370178. We'll hit next. This will automatically send it to the Led by the Unknown's webpage /downloads. This is going to be your new store. Keep it updated all the time. There's a bunch of extra tutorials, a bunch of applications for you to enjoy. And right now, once the page is loaded, we can hit the 3-line button on our remote and we can add this page to our favorites and we can hit save. And then whenever we come to the download section, we hit the 3-line button and it brings up the favorites menu. So we can just automatically go straight to the website and we don't have to worry about the short code. Let's head on down. Best apps for 2026. I do have some new ones up here for you guys. I know the old ones are gone, are still available for other devices outside of the Fire Stick. New ones are now up and running. So in here, we just need to click on the blue bubble. Sports. on your Amazon Fire TV stick. Down in the bottom right, highlight Install. And then we're going to highlight Done. Delete the installation file, click delete, and yes, confirm the delete as we no longer need the installation file taking up space on our device. You get the pop-up, scan the QR code, or hit the little X button. Next one, HQ. HQ. Again, another simple application for movies and TV shows. Down in the bottom right, highlight Install. Let the application install onto our device. Down, hit Done. Delete. Confirm the delete. Third option here, HD. We actually just come down a little bit. And click on the blue square. The application starts downloading. Down in the bottom right, click Install. And guys, I'd like to just say thank you for the comments. Thank you for the support, the thumbs up, the subscribers. Makes me want to keep doing this. I know everyone you know probably wants to try to do this. Then once it's done installing, we just highlight Done. Again, delete, delete. Now, if we've gotten to this page, we just hit back once, back twice, maybe back 3 times. There we go. Then we slide on down and find these applications again. So we got movies, TV shows, live TV, and here, an oldie but a goodie, Kodi. And guys, remember, check out the videos within these. They're very helpful. Again, once the application has installed itself, we're going to hit Install. And then go down, hit Done. Delete the installation file. Yes, confirm the delete. Now let's go to the home screen and figure out where these apps all went. We'll head over to the 3 squares plus sign. Again, back to our apps and games section. And like I said earlier with Downloader, the last apps that we've downloaded end up at the very front, at the very bottom of our list. So we have our sports. We move that to the front. Our HQ, move that to the front. HD, move that to the front. And then Kodi. And we can move that to the front. We're good to go. Let's go to the home screen. Now, if you're interested in knowing what Kodi's all about, if you want to check out Kodi, there's a couple extra steps. We'll say continue. Allow, needs access to photos media, say allow. highlight the settings icon. Head down to the bottom right, System, Add-ons, slide over, come down, Unknown Sources, click. That turns it on and say yes. Back out one, File Manager, Add. Now you need to write this in, type this in. Now this needs to be typed in perfectly. If there's any errors that end up happening after this step, 99% of the time, this wasn't typed in correctly. So H, T, T, P, S. We need a colon. So we have a semicolon, but we need a full colon. So hit the shift button, head over. We have now the colon, the 2 dots. Click. // I'll have this written out here for you, or in the description below if it changes. And we'll go over and hit OK. It has a name for us. Click OK. Here it's there. We're going back out one. Come to Add-ons. Zip. Select it. There's our name. If that's not there, something's wrong. If you got a connection error, you typed it in wrong. Select it. Zip file. Wait a few minutes. Add-on is ready. Now we can go to repository, dig, select, program, chef, down on the bottom right, install. We can say OK. There are other options to use. Give it a few moments. The screen may blink on and off a few times, go black. It does have a percentage on how much is going up. Once we get this blue screen, it's good to go. So we can just hit the select button on a remote and it closes it. Back out one. Say yes. Here I would select one of these two. If you don't have those, select the third one. Yes, proceed, or okay, proceed. Now this part does take a little while. Guys, I really thank you for watching these videos. Super, super appreciated of all of you. Good or bad, if you like my content, thank you. If you don't like my content, thank you for watching anyways. Some of these videos are a little mundane and boring. I get it. 95% of my subscribers, or 95% of my views come from new people. I really do appreciate you if you're watching this again for the 100th time. I do. I do try to put out new stuff on a weekly basis. Sometimes maybe it's more, sometimes maybe it's less. I just want to thank you. From my family to yours. Really appreciate it. We just crossed 10,000. That's crazy. Amazing. Give me a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. Put a comment in below. What do you know of an app that I'm missing? Throw it down below. Tell me about it. I'd love to know so I can get it to all your friends. Now that wants to force close Cody, and we just say okay. check it out, follow along. Please follow along. Follow along with your device through Downloader onto the Led by the Unknown site in the download section. Just follow along. That gets changed all the time. All right? Happy streaming. Take care. Peace. You're still here. You want to know what IP Vanish is about? Let's find it. 3 squares plus sign. IP Vanish. Use the link in the description below. Use the QR code to get it, download, install it on your device. If you want to know how to get it onto this device, just go to the search, IP Vanish, install. It's that simple. Once you have it and you have your login credentials, you get to the login page, type in your credentials, your email, and your password. Here it's going to load up the servers. We can say connect. Here we're loaded up, connected to Boston. You want somewhere else to be, highlight the little map icon. You can go by country, you can go by city, you can go by fastest location. You can save favorite locations. So I have a lot of saved favorite locations. Los Angeles, Chicago, and Dubai. If I want to go to Dubai, I click Dubai, connect to Dubai. Fairly simple and easy. You can favorite them. It's just a little star. Click on it. It set it right there. Favorite, unfavorite, same thing. Couple of settings options here. We can connect on startup. We can split tunnel. Here I'll show you how split tunneling works. Under managed apps, we have to highlight user apps and select it. This gives us a list of all the apps that we have on our device. So, say if the VPN's in Dubai or somewhere that you don't live, and you want to keep Netflix in your home country. Select Netflix, turn it on. Netflix, I live in Canada. Netflix stays in Canada for me because my kids like Netflix and they want to keep it in Canada. Simple. The rest of the app, we can back out. We can get auto connect. And of course, we have a kill switch or threat protect. The kill switch, if you have it on and enabled, anytime the VPN stops working, it will disable your internet to your device. So it is always protected no matter what. You decide to turn off IP, it'll kill it. Okay? Makes it nice and easy. Let's go back to the home screen. Follow along.